Welcome. Today I'd like to talk about Focusrite Platinum compounder and how to disassemble it and fix the gate problem. To dismantle the upper protective cover, you need to undo 6 bolts on top, 3 on the sides, skip one with grounding, and then open the case just like that. I fixed the gate problem on both channels over here, and I'd like to tell you how I did it in a different video I am prepared with my thoughts. And topic of this video mostly dedicated to prevention of the issue with power supply and heat, which created because of this thermal solution implemented with thermal paste in between regulators and radiator right here. As you can see, this bulky capacitor is undressed and its sleeve is just got shorter, as well as this capacitor and that few. And to eliminate this issue, you need to undo these 2 bolts on voltage regulator and replace the thermopast for reducing the temperature of the radiator by simply moving heat into the case with this radiator, which is also connected to the back of the unit. In this manner you will remove the a big amount of heat in this area and control this area with less temperature. As well, you can use the voltage divider and fit this unit with 110 volts. This will allow this area to be almost calm, because I tested it with the EcoFlow power station and fed this unit with 110 volts, and that power supply feels like warm. So if you are using like European voltage level 220 volts, 235, you may probably need to lower the voltage on this unit to 110, just for the case of not getting it too hot and failing one of the gate on the unit. And for getting closer to this board, you need to undo these 4 bolts on reg airs, then dismantle all of the knobs on the unit just like that, pulling them away from the shaft. Then you need to undo every nut on this regulated potentiometer, variable potentiometer, and remove this upper let's say face plate of the unit. Then to get out the board out of the case, you need to push small pins right here outside, just to get the inner part of the fix outside to the bottom, and then as well removing the clamp which goes through the hole of the board. It's just easy. You can do it's easy with your finger. Just pressing, or with the some kind of small pin, like a toothpick or whatever. You can just press it inside, and this pin will, like a nail, will go outside, and you can get it out of the hole, and then remove the plastic holder, plastic clamp, which goes through the hole, and then it's just spread it with the nail inside. That's it for the first part, how to dismantle this Focusrite Platinum compounder to fix the gate problem in it. See you in the next part, which will be hosted on my Patreon page. Thanks for attention. Have a good day, everybody.